This 2022 Jeep Renegade is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Jeep is powered by a four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, intercooled turbo premium unleaded i4 1.3 L181 engine, and has 272 miles. Unleash adventure with a 2022 Jeep Renegade. Compact, stylish, and ready for any terrain. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.